Hello everyone, I'm Aruna Pore and now we can see the e-commerce in this lecture. Now we can see one by one concept of commerce, concept of e-commerce and the process of e-commerce model. Now first we can see the what is commerce. Commerce means what? The commerce is a division trade or the production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from the producer to final consumer. It comprises the trading of something of economic value such as the goods, services, information or the money between two or more entities. Now the e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce, commonly known as the electronic marketing, and it consists of the buying and the selling goods and the services over an electronic system such as the internet and the other computer networks. Now we can see the definition of the e-commerce. E-commerce is electronic commerce is a process of buying, selling, transferring or the exchanging products, services and the information via electronic networks and the computers. And the e-commerce is the commonly used for selling or the purchasing product online or the through internet. Okay, in the e-commerce there are three entities are present. First is the buyer, second is the seller and third is the producers. Buyer means buyer is these are the people with money who want to purchase of goods or services. Buyer means काय असणार आहे, जो कोणी परचेस करेल गुड्स किंवा सर्विसेस. Seller is there, these are the people who offer goods and services to the buyer. And last one is the producer. Producers is these are the people who create the product and the services that sellers offer to the buyers. Okay, now we can see the process of the e-commerce. We can see the diagram of process of e-commerce. In this diagram we can see the merchant, shopping cart, credit card, order is completed and shipping couriers. This entity are represented in this process of the commerce. Now we can see one by one process of the commerce. First, a consumer uses web browser to connect to the home page of the merchant's website on the इंटरनेट. म्हणजेच काय केलं जाणार आहे, फर्स्ट जो कोणी कन्झ्युमर असेल तो काय करणार आहे, वेब ब्राउझरला कनेक्ट करेल मर्चंटच्या वेबसाईटला थ्रू दी इंटरनेट. देन द कन्झ्युमर ब्राउझर द कॅटलॉग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फीचर ऑन द साइट अँड द सिलेक्टेड or the select items to purchase. We can purchase the number of items to this website. The selected items are placed in the electronic equivalent of a shopping cart and then the consumer is ready to complete the purchase of selected item. And she provides a bill to and the ship to address for the purchase and the delivery. Now next step is the when the credit card number is validated or the debit card number is validated, the order is completed at the commerce server side. And then the merchant side display a receipt confirming the customer purchases. Okay, sorry. The commerce server side then the forward the order to the processing network for the payment processing and the fulfillment. ओके. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ ई कॉमर्स. मीन्स त्याच्यामध्ये काय होणार आहे, फर्स्ट कन्झ्युमर असेल तो काय करणार आहे, मर्चंटच्या वेबसाईटला जाणार आहे. तिथून तो काय करणार आहे, जो काही त्याचं कॅटलॉग असेल, जे काही प्रोडक्ट असेल तो सिलेक्ट करेल. सिलेक्ट केल्यानंतर नेक्स्ट स्टेप असणार आहे की शॉपिंग कार्ट ॲड टू कार्ट करेल. तो आयटम सिलेक्ट करेल, प्लेस करणार आहे शॉपिंग कार्टला. शॉपिंग कार्ट केल्यानंतर काय होणार आहे की तो कन्झ्युमर सिलेक्ट केलेल्या आयटमचा बिल पे करणार आहे, अमाऊंट पे करणार आहे. मग अमाऊंट पे करताना तो काय करेल, तुमच्या क्रेडिट कार्डचा नंबर टाकेल किंवा डेबिट कार्डचा नंबर टाकणार आहे किंवा फोनपे किंवा तुम्ही अदर दुसऱ्या पेमेंट मेथड यूज करून तिथं पेमेंट करणार आहे. तुमचं पेमेंट कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर काय होणार आहे, तुमचं जो काही ऑर्डर असणार आहे, रिसिट असणार आहे, कन्फर्मेशनचा मेसेज तुम्हाला येणार आहे. ठीक आहे. ईमेल इज सेंड टू कस्टमर अँड द मर्चंट. एक मेल तुम्हाला येईल की तुमची ऑर्डर प्लेस झाली आणि एक मेसेज किंवा एक मेल मर्चंटला जाणार आहे. मर्चंटला मेल गेल्यानंतर मर्चंट काय करणार आहे, जे काही प्रोडक्ट असेल ते तो त्याच्या वेअरहाऊसमधून काय करेल, तो पॅकिंग करेल आणि ते शिपिंगला देणार आहे. आणि शिपिंग केल्यानंतर शिपिंग कॅरियर पिक्स अप शिपमेंट अँड देन सेंड टू द कस्टमर. मग फायनली कस्टमरला ते प्रोडक्ट रिसीव होणार आहे. दिस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द ई कॉमर्स. नाउ वी कॅन सी द ई बिझनेस. ई बिझनेस मीन्स व्हॉट? ई बिझनेस मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक business. E-business or online business means business transaction that take place online with the help of the internet. Okay, e-business is done through the or the help of the internet. We can use the term of e-business to refer primarily to the digital enablement of the transactions and the processes within a firm involving information system under the control of the firm. And the e-commerce includes commercial transaction involving an exchange of value across organizational boundaries. Okay. Now, the e-business or the online business means the business transaction that take place online with the help of the internet, and the term e-business come into the existence in the year 1996. E-business is a abbreviation for electronic business, so the buyer and the seller don't meet personally. इन ई बिझनेस काय होणार आहे, जे कोणी सेलर किंवा बायर असणार आहेत ते पर्सनली मीट करणार नाहीत. आणि कधी टर्म तुमची एक्झिस्ट झाली आहे, इन द इयर 1996. इन द टुडेज वर्ल्ड वी आर एक्सपोज टू व्हेरियस फॉर्म्स ऑफ ई बिझनेस. Since its emergence, it has grown by the leaps and the bounds. Some predict that it may very soon overtake brick and the mortar stores completely, and the while that remains to be seen. We cannot ignore the immense role it plays in the current global economy. Now, we can see the key difference of the e-commerce and the e-business. E-business means electronic business and e-commerce means electronic commerce. Now we can see the difference between e-commerce and the e-business. First key difference is the meaning. First, e-commerce means it is the trading of merchandise over the internet is known as the e-commerce, and the e-business means running business using the internet is known as the e-business. Okay, e-commerce is the subset of e-business, and the e-business is the superset of the e-commerce. Now it is the limited to the monetary transaction. E-commerce, it's yes, but in the e-business is not limited of the monetary transactions. When what they carry out, e-commerce is carry out the commercial transaction, only commercial transaction, and the e-business is the business transaction carry out. Now approach in the e-commerce approach is extroverted, and the e-business approach is the ambiverted. Okay, e-commerce business or the e-business, e-commerce is require websites, and the e-business are required websites, CRM and the ERP etc. Means enterprise resource planning is required in the e-business, and the websites are required. Now in the e-commerce, internet network is required, and the e-business, internet, intranet and the extranet, these three networks are important or the use in the e-business activity. This is the key difference of the e-commerce. Now sorry, buying and selling of the goods and services through the internet is known as the e-commerce, unlike the e-business is the which is an electronic presence of business by which all the business activity are conducted through the internet. Now e-commerce is the major component of the e-business, and the e-commerce include transaction which are related to money, but e-commerce included transaction related money, but the e-business includes monetary as well as allied activities. Means e-commerce मध्ये फक्त मनी रिलेटेड ट्रान्झॅक्शन असणार आहेत आणि ई-बिझनेस मध्ये काय असेल, monetary as well as allied activities are included. In the e-commerce has extroverted approach that covers customers, suppliers, distributors, etc. On the other hand, e-business has an ambivert approach that covers the internal as well as the external processes. Now next difference is the e-commerce requires a website that can represent the business. Okay, and conversely the e-business requires a website, customer relationship management and the enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning means ERP, and the CRM means customer relationship management for running the business over the internet. And the last difference is the e-commerce uses the internet to the connect with the rest of the world, and the contrast to the e-business is the internet, intranet and the extranet are used for the connecting with the parties. These are the key differences between the e-commerce and e-business. Now we can revise how we can see in this lecture, which content we can see in this lecture. First is the commerce. Commerce means what? It is the division trade or the production which deals with the exchange of goods and services to the final consumer. Now we can see the e-commerce. E-commerce means electronic commerce, and it is process of buying, selling goods and services through the internet. And there are three key components in the e-commerce: buyer, seller and producer. These are the interconnected with each other. Now we can see the process of the e-commerce. In the process, merchant, customer, shopping cart, shipping, warehouse, these are the important content we can see. Now e-business. E-business means the electronic business. Electronic business means the transaction that take place the online with the help of internet, or the all the business activities are conducted through the internet. And last, difference between the e-commerce and the e-business. Okay, next lecture we can see the component of the e-commerce.